Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about outdoor dirty kitchen design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Outdoor kitchens have become increasingly popular in recent years, and the concept of a dirty kitchen is gaining traction. A dirty kitchen is an outdoor kitchen where all the heavy-duty cooking is done, keeping the main indoor kitchen clean and free from strong odors. The location of your outdoor kitchen is crucial for its functionality and convenience. It should be close enough to your indoor kitchen for easy access to ingredients and utensils, but far enough to keep the smoke, smells, and noise away from your living area. Consider the view from your outdoor kitchen as well. A good view can make cooking and dining more enjoyable. Also, consider the sun's path. You might want to place your kitchen in a location that gets shade during the hottest part of the day. The layout of your outdoor kitchen should be designed for efficiency. The kitchen triangle concept, where the stove, sink, and refrigerator are placed in a triangle, is a time-tested layout that reduces the need to walk long distances while preparing meals. However, don't be afraid to break from this traditional layout if it doesn't suit your needs. For example, if you do a lot of grilling, you might want your grill to be the central feature of your kitchen. Or, if you enjoy entertaining, you might want a layout that allows you to interact with your guests while cooking. The materials you choose for your outdoor kitchen should be durable, weather-resistant, and easy to clean. Stainless steel is a popular choice for appliances because it meets all these criteria and has a modern look. For countertops, consider using stone or brick. These materials are durable and can withstand the elements, and they add a natural, rustic touch to your outdoor kitchen. For the flooring, consider using a material that is slip-resistant and easy to clean, such as concrete or tile. The appliances you choose for your outdoor kitchen will depend on your cooking habits and the types of meals you plan to prepare. If you enjoy grilling, a high-quality grill is a must. If you're a fan of pizza, consider investing in a pizza oven. For those who enjoy smoking meats, a smoker would be a great addition. And of course, a fully equipped stove and oven will allow you to prepare a wide range of dishes. Don't forget about other appliances like a refrigerator for keeping ingredients fresh and drinks cold, and a dishwasher for easy cleanup. A covering for your outdoor kitchen is more than just a functional element. It's also a design opportunity. A pergola, for instance, can provide shade and protection from the elements, but it can also add a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. You can grow climbing plants on it for a more natural look or hang fairy lights for a magical evening ambiance. If you prefer a more solid cover, a roof can provide better protection against rain and snow. You can design the roof to match the architecture of your house, creating a seamless transition between the indoor and outdoor spaces. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your outdoor kitchen. Task lighting, such as spotlights and pendant lights, is essential for safety and functionality. They illuminate the cooking and preparation areas, making it easier for you to see what you're doing. On the other hand, ambient lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. This can be achieved with wall lights, string lights, or even a fire pit. Remember, the goal is to create a space that's not only practical but also comfortable and inviting. The seating area is where you and your guests will be spending a lot of time, so comfort is key. Consider the type of seating that will best suit your needs. Do you want a dining table for meals, a lounge set for relaxed gatherings, or bar stools for casual hangouts? Think about the materials too. Wooden furniture adds a classic touch, while metal pieces are more modern and durable. Don't forget about cushions for added comfort. Finally, consider adding a patio heater or a fire pit for warmth during cooler months. Adequate storage is essential in keeping your outdoor kitchen organized. Cabinets and drawers under the counter are great for storing cookware and utensils. A built-in cupboard can hold larger items like a gas tank or bags of charcoal. Open shelves are perfect for displaying decorative items and frequently used dishes and glasses. You can also use hooks and racks to hang pots, pans, and tools. Remember to choose materials that can withstand outdoor conditions. Stainless steel, teak, and sealed concrete are popular choices. For a neat and tidy look, consider doors to keep your items hidden. In conclusion, an outdoor dirty kitchen can be a great addition to your home. It allows you to enjoy cooking outdoors, keeps your main kitchen clean, and can even serve as a social hub when entertaining guests. With careful planning and design, you can create an outdoor dirty kitchen that is both functional and beautiful. Remember, the key to a successful outdoor kitchen design is to balance functionality with aesthetics. Creating a space that is not only practical but also inviting and enjoyable to use. So, get creative with your design and make the most of your outdoor space. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a outdoor dirty kitchen design ideas. Thank you.